Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, if you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and comment below if you like my recipes. So today let's bake a soft and spongy cake. So I will tell you the ingredients what we need to bake the cake. So we'll be needing a baking tray. I have put butter paper and I have greased it with oil. You can use butter. Then we need a bowl for mixing, then around 1.5 tablespoon of vanilla essence. This is my secret ingredient, that's the custard powder. It's around 2 tablespoons. That's oil, vegetable oil I have used. You can use any oil what you'll use in your kitchen. This is melted butter, 3 eggs, sugar, baking powder, and I have used plain flour. If you get self-rising flour, you can use that also. I have used 2 cups of plain flour. Okay, so I'll be also using 30 ml of milk and salt, and this is the dry ingredients. Let's start mixing our dry ingredients. I have used this cup to measure, so I have used 2 cups of plain flour. Now little salt and a little bit of baking powder. So now let's add custard powder. It's around 2 tablespoons, and I have used vanilla flavor custard powder. So this is my secret ingredient and it really tastes good if you add custard powder. And now let's give it a mix. We'll keep this aside and we'll start mixing our wet ingredients. So I'll be adding now half cup of vegetable oil and our melted butter. This is salted butter. So to that we'll add around 1 cup of sugar. So it's around 10 to 12 tablespoons. You can whisk it or you can even use a hand blender if you all have. Okay, so let's add our eggs. I'm adding 1 egg at a time. Let's give it a good mix. Let's whisk it for about 1 to 2 minutes and then we'll add the other egg. So let's add milk. This is room temperature. Around 1.5 tablespoon of our vanilla essence, and we'll give it a nice mix. So it's time to add our dry ingredient, what we had mixed before. So we won't add everything all together. So we'll do it in batches. So half we'll add now. We'll mix it and then we'll add the rest. Okay, so now our batter is ready. I'll be pouring half of the batter in the baking tray because I want to put a little bit of Tutti Frutti, and then I'll put the remaining batter over it. So before placing the tray in the oven, let's preheat the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. The cake should be ready in 30 minutes. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.